Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to use VLC Media Player for basic video editing. Although VLC is primarily known as a media player, it also has some useful video editing tools that you can use without installing additional software. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. In the menu bar, click View, then select Advanced Controls. Once this option is enabled, you'll see a new toolbar appear at the bottom of the video player. This provides several basic editing features, including recording, cutting videos, and taking screenshots. If you want to cut a specific part of a video, open the video in VLC. Move the timeline to the point where you want to start cutting. Then, click the Record button and start playing the video. When it reaches the desired endpoint, click Record again to stop. The trimmed video will be automatically saved in the Videos folder on your computer. You can also take a screenshot from a video by pressing the shortcut Shift+S. The image will be saved automatically in your system's default Pictures folder. Additionally, VLC supports video rotation. If your video is oriented incorrectly, go to Tools, select Effects and Filters, then switch to the Video Effects tab. Here, go to Geometry, check the Transform box, and choose to rotate the video 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or a custom angle. Click Save to apply the changes. If you want to adjust brightness, contrast, or colors, go to the Video Effects tab and select Essential. Here, you can use the sliders to tweak the video's color settings to your preference. The Video Effects tab also contains many other features that you can use based on your needs. For example, in the Crop tab, you can crop the video from 4 directions: top, right, bottom, and left. The Color tab lets you modify the video's color settings, giving you complete control over the visual appearance. In the Overlay tab, you can add a logo to your video by selecting the logo file from your computer, adjusting its position, and modifying the opacity as needed. If you don't want to use a logo, you can add text instead. Finally, in the Advanced tab, you'll find more advanced settings for additional customization if needed. One thing to keep in mind is that all the changes made in the Effects and Filters tab will be applied to every video you open afterward. If you want to save the edited video, you must use the record function I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial. If you want to reset VLC to default settings, go to Tools, select Preferences, and then click Reset Preferences. And that's it. This is a simple but effective tool if you just need basic edits or want to extract a segment from a longer video without using professional editing software. To explore more features like customizing the interface, using keyboard shortcuts, handling subtitles, and other cool tips, don't forget to check out the playlist I've linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.